Every dollar in your wallet begins here. Protected like a fortress. Because trust cannot be printed twice.
Before it becomes money, it begins as art.
One wrong line, and the plate is destroyed. Real money. Terdentopri uses cotton and linen, not wood pulp. A portrait pressed into wet pulp, invisible until light passes through. A metal thread wove inside the paper long before printing even starts. Even the ink is a closely guarded secret. First, background colors are printed using offset presses, layer by layer. Intaglio presses stamp ink under heavy pressure. That's why real money feels raised. Every line is precise and nearly impossible to fake.
Special ink shifts color at an angle. A fake can never replicate this.
Serial numbers print last, so no two bills are ever alike. Some secrets only light can reveal. Time and heat lock the ink in place. One flaw, and the sheet is destroyed. One large sheet is cut into 32 bills. Every strap holds exactly 100 bills. Every bill is counted twice. Behind these walls, billions wait in silence. Old money must make way for new.
Now, Sedibikantut fleece, it begins its journey outward.
Every route is planned in total secrecy.
From here, it enters the banking system. Soon, it reaches everyday branches. Now, it is ready for you. A single bill now begins a new life. The same bill travels the entire world. Not every bill is what it seems.
The fight against fakes never truly stops. The process changed, but the trust remains the same. One system moves billions every single day.
Behind every transaction lies this entire journey. Physical or digital. Lost unipsi much tempta sequential. Trust remains the foundation.
This process never truly stops.
An entire nation runs through paper like this. A simple piece of paper, built entirely on trust.
Money is trust. Printed, and shared.
Subscribe to Factory Files for more of the world's strangest factories.